up, guys? Tino.
We are so excited to be here in Uvalde, Texas, and introducing y'all to Uvalde Nutrition. We just had our grand opening today. We look forward to seeing everyone who has not been here already. Just to give y'all a little bit about what we're doing is we wanted to bring y'all a healthy location where y'all can come and hang out or get something healthy, whatever it may be. We do to-goes, you can stay and hang out. But we do provide healthy protein shakes, energy teas, protein coffee, fat burners, or if you are trying to lose weight or gain some muscle, then this is definitely your spot.
On point. Your energy's gonna be through the roof. You're gonna be out here cleaning the concrete for the roads or something. But yeah. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for who's already came out, and thank you guys for those who continue to show up and continue to show the support. We couldn't be happier being here. It's really been the greatest experience we've had in a minute.
Yes, thank y'all all for the support that y'all been showing us already. We couldn't, be any more thankful for the community that we have here and that y'all have allowed us to be. So thank y'all so much, and we look forward to seeing y'all here.